What's up, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about space and intelligent species, intelligent life out there. So I would say the first thing is when you realize that there are millions, if not billions, of galaxies in existence, maybe more than we can predict or see or expect from what we can observe in space, and realizing that there's millions, if not billions, of stars in each of these galaxies, which each are star systems in and of itself and house a lot of planets orbiting them. I think it's a very arrogant thing to assume that we are the first intelligent species to exist. Now, if that's true, then if there are other intelligent species out there, then that also implies that they are most likely, by law of the large numbers and how a bell curve works, there are probably intelligent species out there that are thousands, if not tens of thousands or millions of years ahead of us. They had a lot of time to get a huge head start on us. We're probably most likely in the middle of the bell curve. And so, if they've had millions of years to progress further than us, then they are so far beyond us in terms of understanding of the world and all these things that they are literally on some level of, understanding that we cannot even comprehend and ability that we cannot comprehend if they've gotten there. Why? Because if you look at the rate of improvement for the human species in terms of technology and other areas of our life, it's very clear, especially in the last 100 years, that we are progressing at an exponential rate, which is ridiculous because, the law of exponents, it pretty much means that, if you do this for a while, boom, you're on some godly level in maybe a few 100 years, let alone a few thousand years. Just do the math yourself. Double something 10 times, 20 times. So that really blows your mind. And they're out there now, possibly doing some ridiculous stuff, possibly aware of our existence, possibly on some sort of weird crazy stuff that we can't even comprehend. Interdimensional, time traveling beasts, or maybe they figured out what's outside of the universe, or if there is it outside of the universe, or what the universe is a part of, or they're on some higher level of understanding. The point is, I just think that's really fascinating, and who knows what the heck's going on. And yeah, another really interesting thing is the fact that what we are seeing in terms of the light of all these stars coming at us from, so many light years away, is that these stars, the light that we're seeing from them is very, very old. So they could be completely different right now than what they appear to be from the light traveling to us because of how far it takes for them to get to us, which is very interesting in and of itself. That's how far away they are, and that's how time can dilute things based off distance and speed and so forth. So again, I just find that very fascinating and interesting. I feel like anyone who's living 1,000 or 2,000 or 10,000 years from now, if the human species is still around, they're very fortunate in a lot of ways. Their understanding of things, their ability, their access to knowledge and technology and all this stuff is just probably ridiculous. And they're probably they can understand a lot of things. And I just find it very amazing, all this stuff about how, your perception of time, it can slow based off how fast you travel. All these weird things about time and space. So that's just very cool and fascinating. That's all I gotta say. I wonder if there's ever going to be hoverboards. I just think that's too gimmicky. Like, even if they come about, and then there's hovercrafts or flying cars, it's just too gimmicky. I really don't think it can occur. If it does, it's not going to occur like we see in the films. And it's just like retarded. It'd just be some, variation of a plane, I think. And then even then, it's just like, what's the point? So, I don't know. That's all I gotta say. Let me know in the comments what you think about time and space. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. This has just been a very random, fun little video where we talk about science. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you like these sort of things. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. And for free, you'll be notified when a new video comes out. As always, leave it a like and peace out.